Are you aware that your business could be at risk due to new regulations? Stay tuned to find out how to protect it. With South Africa being gray-listed, new mandatory requirements have been introduced for all businesses. These regulations aim to combat money laundering through the implementation of beneficial ownership submissions. Owner-managed companies with one director and one shareholder need to declare their beneficial owners. You can download the necessary forms for free, including the mandate to file, beneficial interest register, share register, and disclosure. These forms are essential for compliance and can be adjusted for companies with more shareholders. Understanding and completing these forms step by step is crucial for your business's legal standing. Failing to comply with these regulations could have serious consequences for your business. Ensure your business is protected and compliant by following the new AML legislation requirements. Stay ahead of the curve and safeguard your business today. Download your forms now and secure your future.